Do I trust them? Yes or no? If that question keeps wearing you out, this lesson is going to hand you a much kinder one to ask instead. Before we begin, I want you to take a breath, a real one, because if you're here, trust has been shaken and you've been carrying that a long while. Let's start with the question that wears you out. Do I trust them? It feels like it should have a clean answer, yes or no, on or off, and because it never quite does, you can end up swinging between hope and dread, sometimes in the same hour. So here's the reframe that takes the pressure off. Trust isn't a switch, it's layered. You can trust someone in one way and not in another at the very same time. And that's not you being confused or unfair. That's you seeing clearly. Let me give you a real example. A mum I once spoke with told me, I kept asking myself, do I trust him? And the answer was both yes and no. I thought I was losing my mind. She wasn't losing her mind at all. She was simply noticing the truth, that trust is not one single thing. You might trust they're sober today, you can see it, and still not trust their honesty about money just yet. Both true. You might trust they love you and not yet trust they'll follow through on what they promised this morning. Both true. Holding both isn't a contradiction, it's an accurate map. And this matters most for you, the foundation, because the all or nothing question is the one that knocks you off balance. Do I trust them has no footing under it. But which part of trust am I rebuilding right now that you can stand on, that you can act from? So from today, when that big anxious question rises up, gently set it down and ask the smaller, truer one instead. Which part of trust is this? Is it safety, honesty, their follow-through? Once you can name the part, you stop drowning in the whole. In your workbook there's a page called My Trust Map. It's simple. Which parts feel strongest? Which feel fragile? Where you feel torn? And what evidence would help you feel a little safer? Fill it in when you've the energy. There's no rush. In the next lesson, we'll give those parts their proper names, the 5 dimensions of trust, so your map gets even clearer. Turn to the My Trust Map page in your workbook when you're ready. Then join me for lesson 2, next in this playlist, where we name the 5 dimensions properly.